Hey guys, today we're doing a demo of the Moxielashes on my small hooded Monolid eyes, and I bought the Love Kit, which retails for $139, and inside comes with a mirror, the lash applicator with a comb, 3 sets of lashes, and the magnetic liner. And today we're going to be using these set of lashes. So here's what the liner looks like with the applicator. It's got a pointy tip. The formula is pretty creamy. So I've already done my eyeshadow and my eyeliner, and the trick is to not use this liner as your entire eyeliner. You just want to place it where you're going to put your lashes so that you don't waste the product, because these magnetic liners are pretty pricey. So I'm just gonna put it where I put my lash on my lash line. The instructions say to wait about 2 minutes for it to dry, which is kind of long when you have to wait. So in the meantime, while you're waiting, you should curl and apply your mascara. For the sake of this demo, instead of waiting, because I've already curled and put mascara on my lashes, I'm going to use a hairdryer. And they say to test your liner to see if it's dry with your finger. So I'm patting this, and it's dry. We're going to go ahead and test the lashes, and it comes off with these little square magnets right here. Oh, and it just snaps on. It's got a pretty strong hold. And it just snaps on. So because my eyelids are uneven, the lashes doesn't look quite even on both my eyes, because I have a deep fold right here on this side, and on this side I don't have a fold. So they look a little different on both my eyelids, but they feel great. They're lightweight and they're so easy to apply. It just snaps on like a magnet. Other than that though, it's really pretty. It's nice, it's easy. When I take it off, it doesn't hurt like it does with regular lashes and lash glue. So there we have it. I hope this demonstration was helpful. If you guys want to see how I did this eye look, I'll add a little video up here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.